Password Keeper, Module 11, Deleting an Account. I told you I was going to show you how to delete an account using relationship diagram too. So let's see how I do this. It shouldn't take too long. Let's get going. All right, let's get back to our password keeper. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to delete from relationship diagram. Let's go to password keeper module 10, copy that and make that 11. I think this is final right here. I'm not going, yeah. I don't think there is anything else I can show you. Yeah, this should be a very quick. It's really simple. Because we've got the code done mostly. We got the code mostly done in module 10 already. So this shouldn't be too bad. This should be real quick. All right. So we're gonna enable that. Yeah, close. All right. So this is what's going to happen. All right. We're going to use this relationship to delete the account, the company, the password, and the account role, just like we did in the module 10. All right. However, this one just makes it just easier. Then we don't have to execute the SQL 4 times. All right. But like I said, like I mentioned in module 10, remember when you port this to SQL Server, for example, or Oracle or MySQL or whatever database as a backend databases, you will have to update this relationship. Or you could leave the code as is, the way we did it, and then it would not break. Then you don't have to worry about the relationship. All right, but this is another way to delete. So here I'm going to relate the tables. We're just going to pull that one in there. We say we're going to enforce the integrity here and cascade it the delete. Meaning, if you're trying to delete the account, go ahead and delete the the company as well. All right. So now here's another one. Well, if you delete that and you don't reference this password, then the passwords for company would be orphan records. All right. So here again, we are going to reference that and enforce it and make sure it's cascaded delete. All right. Likewise, we're going to do the account row here. All right. Similarly, just enforce it, and then Access will automatically delete these guys if they exist. All right. So now we only delete this guy, and he just knows how to do this. All right. So Control S, save that. You close it. That's what you have to do. It's that simple. All right. So now let's go to the account DB. Remember the delete function. Delete function. See how we had to do this in code. All right. Now this is good because if you were to port the database to different databases, all right, this will not break, and you don't have to remember to go to. You don't have to remember the relationship diagram. All right. So this is how it works. So I'm going to comment those out. We're just going to delete this guy, and it basically does the same thing as all code does. All right, that's what it does. Okay, it relates to, hey, is there anything in the company, all right, and then it looks at the company. Well, is there anything in the password, all right, and it deletes the way we have it here, all right. So it would delete the password first, it would do this, and it would do this, all right, similar to our code here. All right, Control S. that's all we have to do, by the way. Because the account here, we've done all this, all right, so there's no need to do anything else but just that. So like I said, this is too simple, all right. There's a plus side and downside, all right. The downside is when you port this to other databases as a backend, then you will have to come in here, database tools, and reconnect them, all right. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just do the code like we did in module 10. All right, so let's log in. Actually, yeah, that's fine. Let's log in. All right, obviously they're going to be yeah. So let's go ahead and add new account. Let's add all right, and then her password login name is, and then I'm just going to get the 1 2 3 safe. All right, and let's add another one. This one is Dora. Oops, if I know how to spell my own last name, right? The save. All right, now I'm gonna exit out, log out, and log in. Go to my not that one, go to my company, and I'm going to add new company. How about YouTube? And then YouTube save. All right, and then give this guy, I'll add another one. This one will be Facebook. Oh, I think it's like that. Let's do that, and then we'll say save. All right, let's go add password. See there? See my stuff. Double click on that. We're gonna add password. This one is YouTube. My tube. Save. Sure. Yep. So we got one in there. Let's do this one. You know, when we click this, I notice that it doesn't clear here. All right. So let's do that. Yeah, let's fix that. It would be in the company. So when we click, we should clear. Oh, that's the password. My bad. So we're looking at the wrong one. No wonder I couldn't see it. So right here, display. So right here, when display password, actually display company right here, we need to yeah, we need to clear first. Let's see where we clear. Yep, right here. All right, so we're gonna copy that. Yeah, I noticed that, hey, it didn't clear last time, so this is good. This is good that we came into good that I came in to show you. All right, so we're gonna do this call. Now you could do without a call, but that's fine. I'm just used to make a call. All right, let's try again. So if I click that, there, that will clear. That's good. That's good. All right, so let's add. This one is my face. All right, save. Yep. All right. So we got this guy, we got that guy, and if we click that, my tube, my face, good. All right. So now I'm gonna log out just to prove to you that this function, you know, account, yeah, this function right here, just doing that will also do this for us. All right. So using the relationship that we designed. All right. So before we go, let me close this out. Yeah, that's fine. So if you go in here and if you click on this one, the old one that you just created should show up just like that. Good. All right, so let's close that out. Now, here we go. I'll log in as myself. Let's go in there. I think it was this guy. You know what? We didn't even add rows for it. Let's give this person a row. There. All right. So now we also have all four tables, the password, the company, the account row, and the account have these guys. All right. So she's all in there. Okay. Yeah, let's validate that. Yeah, so that you understand. Because I really want you to understand. Sometimes if you don't understand, it does not work. All right. So this guy is Petrina, and her ID is starts with D9V. Looking for D9V here. Account row first. D9V, you see there? All right, that's her account. Okay, let's look at the company. D9V right here. See there? That's her account. So, oh, here's another one, YouTube account. You see there? So that's how we know that she exists in all of them. All right, not only in here as well. Now this one relates to this guy. All right, so all right, now let's go. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be like 15 minutes or maybe less since I talk too much. All right, here we go. Trina, double click, delete. Are you sure? Yep. See there? That works the same way. All right. That's all I want to show you that you could do with the database tools. All right. So as I mentioned earlier, the downfall is that when you port this to the backend as SQL Server, MySQL, or Oracle, or whatever database platform you're using, you will have to update that relationship. Or if you just do them in code like we did here, then you don't have to worry about anything. All right. And by the way, all code will work with any version of Office. All right, because we omit of using access tools like macros, like this, like that. Okay, so all code will work in any platform. All right, or any version of Office. So that's the best way to code is to make sure we do things with code, not depending on the tools available for the Office. That would bark at us when there's a change in new version. All right. or when you want to update your new version. So with this, you don't have to worry. All right, there you have it. That's simple. There you have it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.